Today we are going to discuss a mock epic poem Iliad written by Homer. This poem was written in a Greek language. The Iliad is an ancient Greek epic poem attributed to Homer, traditionally dated to 8th century BCE. It is the one of earliest and most important works of Western literature, serving as foundational text for Greek culture and mythology. If we talk about the summary, the Iliad recounts a portion of Trojan War, focusing primarily on wrath of Achilles, a mighty Greek warrior, and its consequences. The poem begins with Greek army besieging the city of Troy, angered by the abduction of Helen, the wife of Manus, by Paris, a prince of Troy. Agamemnon, the leader of Greek forces, offends Achilles by taking his prize, besieging, leading Achilles to withdraw from the battle. As the war rages on, the Greeks suffer heavy losses, and Achilles' close friend Patroclus is killed by Trojan prince Hector, consumed by grief and rage. Achilles re-enters the battle to avenge Patroclus' death, killing Hector in single combat and desecrating his body. The poem ends with Hector's funeral rites, and his body is mourned and honored by Trojans. The themes of the poems are wrath and prejudice, fate and destiny, heroism and honor, morality and immorality. The central theme of Iliad is destructive power of wrath, particularly Achilles' wrath, which drives much of narratives. The second theme is fate and destiny. The poem explores the tension between human agency and dictates of fate, as characters struggle to reconcile their action with their predetermined destinies. Next theme is heroism and honor. The Iliad glorifies the heroic ideals of courage, honor, and glory in battle, while also depicting the darker aspect of warfare such as loss, grief, and moral ambiguity. Next theme is morality and immorality. The epic grapples with the morality of humans and immorality of gods, as well as enduring legacy of heroes through their deeds and stories. The style of this poem is elevated language. The Iliad is written in grand and formal style with elaborate description, epithets, and similes. Next thing the poet uses hexameter verses. The poem is composed in dactyl hexameter, a rhythmic meter commonly used in ancient Greek epic poetry. Oral tradition is also being used in this poem. The Iliad was originally composed and transmitted orally, like performed by bards or poets at public gatherings. If we talk about the legacy of the poem, literary influence, the Iliad has had a profound influence on Western literature, serving as model for epic poetry and inspiring countless adaptation, imitation, and interpretations. If we talk about cultural legacy, the Iliad remains a foundational text of Western civilization, shaping our understanding of heroism, honor, and the human condition. If we talk about historical context, this poem provides a valuable insight into ancient Greek society, religion, and warfare, as well as cultural and political dynamics of Bronze Age Mediterranean world.